Wildy, what a performance from your team today. Game plan worked a treat, but are you disappointed they never come away with 3 points?
It'll be harsh to say we're disappointed. You know, we just played the champions of the league. They've been in, you know, cup competition in the Champions League in the past kind of 2 months. We're newly promoted. I think if somebody were to say it was going to be, you know, we were going to get a point at this at the beginning, I would have been more than happy. However, though, when you see a game pan out and you think you can pinch it, you do start questioning it. And you know, when we did have a game plan and we stuck to it, there was some opportunities there, and you sometimes think, you know, it might just work out for you how you've planned it in your head. But no, they're an unbelievable team, aren't they, TNS? And we knew we were going to have our work cut out today. But our lads' performance emulated what we did last week, but we got a point for it where we didn't last week, and that's football, and that's what the lads done brilliantly today. They've dusted themselves off, they've gone again, and again we've used lads that we didn't use last Friday as well. They've come into the fray and done unbelievable as well. So it's a really good hard-fought point at home.
Sarge, obviously probably disappointed, only a point taken today, but Colwyn had a game plan and it worked for them.
Yeah, look, I think they made some really good signings this season, and you know, we can be disappointed as much as we like, but I think, you know, there's a lot of teams going to come here and take no points home with them. So that's the only, you know, that's the only slight positive. But we've got to be better in that final third, especially in the last 20 minutes of games, and yeah, we've got to do a little bit more at the moment. But as I say, after the Briton Ferry one, was, you know, we've bounced back really well, and can't be too disappointed with the point here today, I suppose.
Iron, perfformiad penigamp gan y tîm heddiw, a ddiwrnod arall, siomedig bod chi heb gael y triphwynt?
Ie, ti'n gallu deud hynny, ond da chi o hyd yn hapus efo pwynt yn erbyn y pencampwyr, ond ar diwrnod arall, efallai da ni'n gallu cael 3, mae bob dyn wedi stico i tasg, a da ni'n hapus efo'r pwynt.
Ie, mae'n siomedig ffordd nath nhw gael ei gol nhw o gig gornel, ond wedyn gwrth ymosodiad sydyn ac y cwys yna dal i fynd ac a dyn i'r cwrs Cosby gael y gêm yn gyfartal.
Dim o'r gofyn mae awydd nhw, ond maen nhw'n dal i fynd a dal yn teimlo'n bach, ond cymryd mi dim bach hirach i cael droso, ond na, dwi'n hapus efo'r tîm a bob wythnos da ni'n cael yn well hefyd, a nhw'n cael yn well trwy'r tymor. Just angen pigo fyny'r 3 pwynt rwan i pwysio ni ymlaen.
Now long trip to Barry now for next game on the weekend?
Yeah, recover now. Just it was a warm one today, so a couple of days recovery for the lads, and then yeah, we'll crack on again.